Number 4 is find sum, difference, product, and quotient of limit. If limit as x approaches 3 f of x is equal to 4, this is known, and limit as x approaches 3g of x is minus 2, find limit as x approaches 3, 5 f of x plus 2g of x, and this is equal to limit as x approaches 3, 5 f of x plus limit as x approaches 3, 2g of x, which is, this is 5 limit as x approaches 3 f of x plus 2 limit as x approaches 3g of x, but we know limit as x approaches 3 f of x is known, it is 4, and limit as x approaches 3g of x is minus 2. That means this is 5 times 4 plus 2 times minus 2, which is 20 minus 4 equals 16. B is limit as x approaches 3 f of x minus 2g of x, which is limit as x approaches 3 f of x minus limit as x approaches 3 2g of x. So this is equal to limit 3 limit as x approaches 3 f of x minus 2 limit as x approaches 3g of x. So this limit as x approaches 3 f of x is 4, limit as x approaches 3g of x is minus 2, so this is 3 times 4 minus 2, which is 12 plus 4, which is 16. Number C is limit as x approaches 3 to f of x times g of x. So this is 2 limit as x approaches 3 f of x times limit as x approaches 3g of x, which is equal to 2 times 4 times minus 2. So this is equal to minus 60. Number D is limit as x approaches 3, 16 f of x over 2g of x, and that is limit as x approaches 3, 8 or f of x over g of x. Then this is 8 limit as x approaches 3 f of x over limit as x approaches 3g of x, which is 8 times 4 over minus 2, which is minus 60. Please subscribe, share, and like, and ask your friends to subscribe, share, and like.